Okay, go.
Okay, if it didn't have feathers, I would eat it. Come on.
Open your mouth.
Whatever. Ew! This is gross.
What do you think?
This is gross.
She thinks it's gross.
I guess you like it.
What do you think?
Ew, no. It's disgusting. It's really gross.
Did you like it?
I haven't had one yet.
Have you had one?
I'm gonna have one right now.
You're gonna have one
good.
right now? Alright.
Do it.
I'm doing it for everybody.
It was good?
Did?
How did the feathers taste?
I didn't have feathers. She's lovely.
And the beak was good?
I don't know.
Did it talk back to you? Did it say? No?
Yeah.
It did. Oh, okay. And the eyes, were they looking at you or were they looking at you?
What?
The eyes of the
I didn't look.
Did you look?
No.
You didn't eat it yet.
I didn't eat one.
You have to.
Oh, see, listen to me. Okay.
Alright. Get one and then take a look.
I'm gonna pick up now. Oh, don't leave. We haven't even blown out the cake.
Are you gonna eat the balot? Okay, I want you to sit right here.
Wait, who's leaving? Who's leaving? Okay.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, sit right here.
Hurry up.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, tissue.
Oh my God. Kaya kailangan kumain ka ng bird, but I see how.
Okay, first you cut the bird.
If you eat that, you get a free ride to Cable Car for life.
Ay, wala ka na doon. Pag magawa ka ng channel, ang mati ng ito. Pero dalawa pa yung balot dito sa Bali 20. Ay, pucha. Dapat ang bulitin. Pucha.
You have to eat everything, okay? Even the shell. Well, my $5.
Hello.
San Leandro.
My foot is loose.
Sino from San Leandro? Si Nick. Oh, really?
You're from San Leandro?
Oh, we're from San Leandro too.
I live out there.
What's your name again?
Nick.
Nick.
Anak, daddy.
Nick?
Palagay.
That's Bertha. Say hi to Bertha. Hi, Bertha. I'm gonna eat you now.
Don't, are you leaving? Baby pa lang ay kinain. We're gonna get the
I am baby Bertha.
Oh, and I got feathers too.
Ew!
Yeah.
Saw.
Throw it, it can fly.
What is that? Ooh, look at that.
So eat this part?
You eat
Yeah,
everything?
eat everything. You have to eat everything.
How about the baby?
Then after that, you have to lick your finger one at a time.
It's on the plate.
Wait, kailangan mo gawin yung $5 ko.
Let me
Here
see
goes.
it.
Yeah.
Oh!